My golden ball of yarn might get revoked for saying this, but I'm a maker and I don't love craft fairs. I like the unique things that stand out to me at these fairs. In a large space like Fort Mason in San Francisco, it's hard to dismiss the similarities among creations as I ride the currents waiting for something to pull me out. It's like being inside Etsy, but instead of being able to take a break from scrolling to think about what my cat would look like if I knit her a cute beanie, I'm just in a huge event pavilion full of other shoppers. So I'm not going to show you everything I saw over a few hours of being at Renegade. I'm showing you 5 minutes of memorable eye treats. A few shops inspired me to think about how to restyle and upcycle fabrics I might take for granted. This artist refashions t-shirts and sweatshirts and creates something new from the fabric. Every piece is going to be unique, and it requires the creator to have an eye for pieces she can, in a sense, quilt together. I also bought some new sewing patterns from Friday Pattern Company, who will be on Creative Bugs soon for this duster. Ceramics are always a fixture at a fair like this, and you're guaranteed to find the basics. Things that can add serenity and beauty to any space. Ceramics can be very cozy, but then I think use something unexpected. Draw attention to things that usually want to hide in the background. These pieces start speaking up, and they demand to be recognized. I promised them this cameo, and I'm even committed to living with some. It feels rewarding to wear playful earrings because the win comes from finding something unique to wear, but then you get to wear 2 of them on a part of you that gets a lot of exposure. The cheerful integration of wearable fruit reminds me of Susan Alexandra, who's fostered a fan base dedicated to this aesthetic of joy. I took these home. Sadly, I didn't get to take this home. It's not shocking, but really this shape was everywhere. And in general, this trend of abstract minimalist design is still in full swing. It's this enormous resurgence of style inspired by Matisse. It's soothing with its intentional color scheme and hand-drawn amorphous shapes. The outlines of faces and figures feel feminine and effortlessly beautiful. I know I'm drawn to this style, as evident in some of my favorited lists on Etsy and saved photos on Instagram. I mean, I'm not trying to hide it. And many shops put it front and center like candy for visual minimalists. And now, these.